Hey guys, Aaron here. Today we have a 2024 Volkswagen Atlas and we're going to change the wiper blades. I am going with the Rain-X ones, mostly because the Bosch were out of stock for the correct size, so we need a 22 and a 26 inch. All right, once you're in the Atlas, you're going to push the start-stop button without your foot on the brake just to wake up the car. Then you're going to turn it right back off. And you're gonna immediately push down on this stalk and your wiper blades will come up and now they are in service position. All right, now you're just going to lift it away from the glass. So that's why they have to be in service mode so they don't make contact here. Now, what I would do is get a big towel or blanket or something and put it on the glass because we're about to remove this blade and this metal arm has a spring attached to it. So if you accidentally move it forward and let it go down, it's gonna smack your windshield and probably crack it. Ask me how I know that. All right, so you can see on the arm itself, there is a little tab indentation here that you can press. So once you depress that, this whole thing just slides right out. That's what was holding it in. So you can tell that the Rain-X one up here is slightly different than this one. So it has some components that we have to remove. Okay, where this little circle is right here on each side, you have to squeeze that and rotate this thing up. All right, so there's arrows here. Now you squeeze and lift up to remove that piece. All right, so now this little blue piece, you just grab it and lift it out like that. All right, so these two tabs are gonna get pinched in and they go in here. And that little tab gets pushed down and we're gonna come all the way back, snap him into place, and this little guy can just snap back on. And that is our blade. And we can just push it back. That one's done. Move over to the next one. Lift him up. Put up the protective cloth here again. And the same thing. It has a little button. You push it and slide it out. If you need to cheat, you can use anything and stick it in there to help depress that button and slide it out. All right, so there is a little sticker at the corner of these particular wiper blades that you are supposed to remove. Okay, and then under there, there's a little black dot. When that black dot turns yellow, that is supposed to tell you that it is time to replace them again. All right, to take it out of service mode, we're gonna wake the car up again and press down on the windshield wiper stalk one more time. Hold it down and they will lower. And that's it.